This gives you a freedom in the language where one word could mean different things depending on if you use the verb to be from estar or from ser. So if you said es aburrido using ser, and aburrido is the word for bored or boring, that would mean that he's a boring person, right? Whereas if you said está aburrido, you're using estar, then it would mean that he's bored right now. He's in a state of boredom. And so even though you're using the same word, aburrido, you're getting a different meaning depending on if you're using ser and estar. And this gives you a freedom that English doesn't have. And so there are many examples of this, okay? If you said he, she, it, you formal is rich using ser for characteristics, that would mean he's rich at having a lot of money, like the characteristic of being a rich person. But if you use that estar, it would mean it's delicious, as in it's in the state of having richness, more so referring to taste, which is why it would mean delicious, for example. So there are some cases where different regions will disagree on what is a state or a characteristic. And sometimes there is kind of a gray area, but I found that I've rarely messed up ser and estar when I've thought about it through this frame. And by the way, if you're just getting started, I highly recommend joining the Speedy Spanish Hub. It's a free community I created with a bunch of free resources and guides to help you start learning Spanish with these methods. And it'll be the first link in the description.